The steam engine, for its size, is one of the most powerful vehicles on land. And the steam engines that make up Hornby World are no exception. This is Hornby Adventures.
I like working at night, even if it is a little bit foggy. It's just so calm and relaxing. Who's there? He has fuel tankers! Oh no! And he's not stopping! He's gonna hit me! I can't look! Wait, where did he go? Oh well, gotta get back to work. Alright, back into the shed, and I'm staying here until that engine is gone. What was that? Why was he carrying fuel tankers and not stopping? Oh, Sparky. It's the first time doing this ghost story thing. You mind if you tell me a story? Alright. So, this story happened a long time ago. Back before any of us came to the railway. A little engine racing down the line, hauling goods trains to and fro. He was a kind little engine, and would always tackle any job. But one day, that would all change. After hearing the news that he was going to be scrapped, he had a change of heart and wanted to kill the controller. So he set off to find the weapon. He shunted together the most fuel tankers anyone had ever seen and set off to find the controller. But little did he know, he was on the wrong track. He was heading towards the unfinished bridge, and before he could stop, the fuel tankers plunged into the ravine. The engine killed itself, along with its driver and fireman. No one ever saw this engine again, as the next day it was taken to scrap, where he properly belonged. But his spirit still roams the rails to this day, so beware. That is not true. That is not true. That is not true. Get that dumb story out of your head. I have to stop. Stupid red signal. But you're okay. You okay? Hello? Who's there? Anyone? That is not anyone I've seen before. Wait. Yes, it is. It's Alex. But he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Get this out of your head. Please. Don't be true. Please don't. No. He just waited in front of me. Okay, that's it. I'm not moving another inch forward. I'm going back. And then he vanished right in front of me. I don't know what happened. I was too scared in the moment. Well, I didn't close my eyes. Well, you did better than what I did. I saw this engine with tankers rushing towards me at full speed. Wait a minute. Yep, that's what happened. Is it okay with you? Sparky told me about that engine. It's real! Hey. Dude, it's just one of Sparky's stories. I'm pretty sure you'll calm down and forget about it in a week.
Come on, guys! Stop gossiping in the sun when there's work to be done.
Okay.
No need to act all angry about it.
Okay, is everybody on board? Sweet, let's go. Wait, what do you mean nobody's on board? Wait a minute. Those tankers are heading straight for me, and they're not slowing down. I can't look. They're about to hit me. No!